I change the bulbs today, right? When I check the app the next day, like
I saw.
a decline. So I'm like, whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, say your girl Ocean Purple, and you're tuning into Jamaica Biz. Remember, Jamaica is my business, your business, and food business. Alright, so I want to talk about the new JPS app. I must commend them for the new app that they launched the other day. I mean, it has been very useful. I downloaded it on my phone and I can tell you, I'm loving it. I'm loving the convenience as well. It's also user friendly. So what I want to talk about is how beneficial the app is for me. It can be for everyone as well. And it doesn't hurt to download it. And I'm not promoting JPS and they didn't pay me to do this, but I'm thinking, hey, somebody else might need the information that I have. And what I love about the app too is that it can measure your consumption. So let's hear my scenario. So um, the other day I got a bill, right? Bill was really high. So I'm like, why is this bill so high and there is nothing to burn so much electricity? So um I was like, okay, because the bill came to like 7,000 something, probably about 7,500, right? Um so I said, alright. But download the app, and I use it for monitor the consumption. The first thing that came up to me or came on my mind was the bugs. I was thinking, wonder if it's the bulbs that are burning so much. Because what happened is um, there has been some bug in the bathroom, outside, somewhere in the kitchen as well. Those bulbs, I didn't take them here, right? So I looked at them and I said, but these bulbs don't look like LED. So we said, alright, now let's change them out, right? So I go supermarket and then we decided to buy bulb to replace all of the non-LED. Mind you, I had a few that were LED, but it wasn't a lot, and they weren't in the areas that I was using a lot of light power. So I decided I needed more anyways. So I got the LED bulb and I decided that alright, I'm going to change them out. So that's what I did. And mind you, right? I was thinking also about like the use of other things that might have caused me to generate more electricity. So I'm trying to see. So now I'm starting to like plug out everything as soon as I use it. If I use the kettle, I plug it out. If I use the washing machine, I plug it out, and that sort of a stuff. Because since that last bill, I wasn't paying attention. I left the washing machine plugged in for days. I left a lot of things plugged in. Um, the kettle, the this, the that, the small things. And then now I downloaded that and decided I'm going to monitor the consumption. So, um, I changed the bulbs. Say I changed the bulbs today, right? Um, when I check the app the next day, like I see everything. So I'm like, whoa. So the bulbs are the problem. And then I continue monitoring it, and then I realize that by plugging up the things as soon as I use them, and the JPS app also have this thing that they can predict your next bill. Like I guess it's based on an average and how the consumption trends over a period. So I figured that that's what they use. So at the time when I just downloaded the app, cause me get the bill to 75, then predict my bill to be like the 7,000, well, 7,100 or something there. And since me start do all of them thing and change the LED bulb, my consumption cut 1 week later by $1,000 because now the prediction on my next bill is around $6,100, 6,000. So I was like, oh my god, this app is so cool. And also another thing about the app is that it gives you the opportunity to set a budget. So if you want to set a budget, say for $5,000, it will alert you when you get to that point. So in summary, the app can kind of guide you towards your budget. So if it is that you need to plug out some things, or you need to change some things that might have been creating more energy, you just got to let it go. So again, I would say the app is very good, and I recommend anyone to use it, and it will help to make your life easier. Also, you can make payments in the app, which is a bonus, and the payment will be reflected like within an hour or less, comparing to if you do it online or at any paymaster or payment outlet for bills. So the app is a plus in that regard. And yeah, I would say it's a very good app, and I would recommend it to anyone. Yeah, and the app also can allow you to disconnect power from a particular location. So if it's a case that you're moving from one location to the next, you can submit a letter with your signature, and they respond as quickly as possible, and you can track that request as well, and in a matter of maybe a day or a few days, you will get a response. So I'm going to give them a plus for that as well, because that's a very convenient um, part of the app as well, because it eliminates the need to go to any office. So I love that part about the app. So until then, I would like you to comment down below and tell me if you're going to try the app, or if you already downloaded the app, or tell me what you think about them upgrading. And again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.